Pooja Parihar, your English teacher, and I hope that you all will be fit and fine at your places. So today I am going to start a new chapter from your book Honeysuckle. It's an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Means there is a lady named Kalpana Chawla went to the space. So it's about this whole chapter is about a short description and a short description about the Kalpana Chawla who visited space. So here are some new words written on the board for you. I'm going to read them. These new words. These are new words for you. I'm going to read. You will be have these words as word meaning also. Tragedy, astronaut, astronautical engineering, cheered, licensed, instructor, fortunately, encouraged, pollinating, disaster, disbelief, glued, survived, and enormous. These are the words you will have there in PDF with the meaning of these words. Okay. So this is a new chapter in what I think that it's about, and what I think, not only think, it is about the description and life description of a lady who was just aeronautical engineer and space shuttle and was a part of the Columbia space shuttle. So she's here is some description, some life shots about her. So what had happened with her, how she spent her life, how she completed her schooling, college, and all these things. So the whole life visit, you know, that the what had happened in her life. Here is a short description about her. Before you read, before every chapter, you can see that there are few sentences given on the top of the chapter, in which it is described you. It is a short introduction about that whatever you are going to read in the chapter. Here is some clues about it. So before you read, in 1997, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla was a part of international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So you know that here is written that in 1997, the Indian American Kalpana Chawla, Indian, why? She born in India, but later on she settled in USA and married with a person there. And she had a green card of USA. That's why she was she had the citizenship of India as well as the USA. That's why she was an Indian American. So Kalpana Chawla, who became a part of international crew, US space shuttle named Columbia. Columbia is the name of the space shuttle here, and she became the first woman in the world who visited space. So as she was from India, that's why she is Indian also. But sadly, what happened, the second mission of the Columbia, the spacecraft by which Kalpana Chawla was visited to space, that was ended within tragedy. Tragedy means something tragic, something wrong, some wrong happening. That is tragedy. So it ends with tragedy. Let's see what was the tragedy and what had happened with them who was in that Columbia space shuttle. A news report. This chapter is started with a cutting news report that what had happened at that time with the space shuttle Columbia. Tragedy in space. US space shuttle Columbia break into flames. Flames, you know that a flame of fire. So you know that the everything in space is quite different from on Earth. It's not possible to visit anywhere without a space suit. So something what went wrong in the space, and the whole the space shuttle or Columbia was break into flames. Means it burnt there. It finished. all the crew member also finished with the space shuttle. So here is a news cutting here. I'm going to read and explain to you. In unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia carrying Indo-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flame as it struck over Texas Tower, its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. So what happened? On the very morning of 2003, 1st February, they were just turning from the space. They were having some investigate something there, whatever they have seen, observed, for that after coming to on the earth, they will discuss and they will share all the things with all the people of on earth. So suddenly what happened that the 5 other crew member, including Indian woman Kalpana Chawla, they all are 6. They are just coming back. They are a few minutes distance from the earth. So what happened? Something was went wrong in this spacecraft Columbia, and the spacecraft was burned, and all including 6 other 7 member of the crew was no more from that day. And the whatever the thing and whatever the messages were they were having, they were also finished with all these people and with space shuttle. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. 1930 hour first, as it came in for landing. Whenever it was coming down on towards Earth, its contact with NASA was disconnected at 9 a.m. It was flying at an altitude of over 20 lakh feet and traveling over 20 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So what happened? It was the height of 2 lakhs upward from the earth, and the speed of the shuttle was 20,000 per kilometer. When the control of the contact with the NASA on the earth was breaked down, contact with that shuttle, the speed of the shuttle was 20,000 per hour. Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. So it flew, it just lifted, or means it was just went out of the earth to the space on dated 16th January 2003 from Space Center, Florida, Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended tragedy. So what happened that all the crew members and inside the Columbia, all the 7 crew member which visited to the space, they stayed there on the orbit 16 days, and 80 experiments they have done there. But before sharing these experiments to us, something went wrong and this tragedy happened with them. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So it was 28th space flight, and shuttle was said good, means the condition was very good, and or it can fly 100 more times also. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontier of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from the Tagore School. So what happened? Kalpana Chawla was from Karnal, Haryana, and that was not. She is saying that it was just. She never dreamed about to study this thing and went out of his town. So she just after having completion of the college, she went for the engineering college after schooling. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, Against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. So what happened? You know that in Haryana it is a kind of place state where girls are not meant for no, meant for teaching them enough. So here the people think there that a girl just having 17-18 years and she is just meant for to get married and settle down. So there is a huge opposition of her father, Kalpana Chawla's father, that he didn't want to send her for a study in aeronautical engineering. But after completion of the graduation in India, she went for her PGs for post graduation in United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Later on, when she completed her master's, she completed her that PhD, doctorate degree in aeronautical engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at the Cape Florida. So what happened? She was the first lady who was from India, and she just visited on the space shuttle and went to the space. So she was the first woman and participate in the successful mission in space. And she participated in the successful first mission was successful. They came back to Earth. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. It is very obvious that when someone from your mohalla, someone from your city, your country was doing this much courageous work, and it is quite different. So each and every person from the Karnal was cheering her and became very much happy on that day. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to a flight instructor Jean Ferre Harrison. So what happened? She was from India and she got married with a US flight instructor Jean Ferre Harrison. So after getting married with him, she became a citizen of. She got a green card of USA, and she became the citizen of the USA as well. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders also. She was having license to fly the single and multi-engine land airplane and as well as the seaplanes and gliders also. Means she was perfect and she was a scientist. She got her doctorate in aeronautical engineer as well. She was a pilot also. She was also a satisfied flight instructor. She was a satisfied flight instructor, means she was an instructor of that flight, that she has all the knowledge of the mechanism of the flight. Her achievement is inspiration. Means whatever she has, instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to the NASA Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So when she had completed all his PhD and she got licensed to flight the single engine and multi-engine airplanes and that gliders also. So after that, she thought that what next? When I have achieved this one, something should be new in my life, something I should learn new. So she tried to, she has taken a challenge and applying for the space program at NASA. She was the first lady who was hired by NASA as a scientist. In 1994, she was selected by NASA and trained as astronaut. Means she can visit space, and she became astronaut because she was having PG and her doctorate in astronautical engineer. So she was well qualified, and she was passed all the things. She took the training from NASA, and she was selected for the crew. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, "I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dream like anyone else, and I followed them. People who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on." So she is saying then when she was asked about her life and whatever she dreamed, so she said that I am from a small town and I never think about all these things. Whenever I was pursuing my study, I never thought about it. I, as a simple person from a simple city, I just followed whatever I wanted to do and just kept on going on the path when where I want to go. And she further said that the people who was and she was given the credit to all those people who was around her, that whatever I wanted to do, anything, my parents, my relative, everyone around me just supported me and said that if you want to do this, just carry on, just went on this path and just do it. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 1045 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollination plant to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metal and faster computer chips, all for price tag of about $56 million. So when our spacecraft went to the space and some that experiment happened there, so it obviously there will be fuel and the food for 15-16 days for the crew. So obviously there will be the expenses. So the expenses was $56 million. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was for 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes alone. During this period of 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes, she around Earth traveling 252 times and 10.45 million kilometers. Means the space distance she has traveled there was 10.45 million kilometers. The crew, including a Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut, means in that crew of that Columbia first crew when they were visited first time, there was a Ukrainian astronaut and Japanese astronaut along with them, and she was the single lady and first lady who visited to space. And they would just experiment there, the pollination of plants, observing food growth in the space, test to making strong metal which can work on the space, and the computer chips and all the things they had just experimented there. On the Saturday night when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. Disbelief means unbelievable, and shock is it's kind of shocking, it's a hurting thing. And when Saturday night when there was a news of Columbia disaster means it was crashed. So, the news was broke means spread around everyone. So there was a shock and disbelief among the people that how it could be happen, how it can be happen. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. a journalist wrote. So what happened that everyone was glued on their television set. Glued means glue, you know the glue, that adhesive. Glue is the adhesive. So glued means they were stuck on. Stuck on means they didn't stuck. Glued on the television set means they were just kept on watching the news, that what is happening there, then when the space shuttle is coming out. So each and every one there on the Karnal city, people, thousands of people were watching the TV. They were just that very excited about the news of the Kalpana Chawla. So sleepless night means they kept on that watching the TV and they didn't sleep. So everyone was watching about, and they were just praying to God that anyhow, including Kalpana Chawla and their crew, they survived. They can survive and we can watch them. So they were just praying to God. A journalist wrote. A journalist of some newspaper who has written this. She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about anything, from biology to physics to astronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is Eve inspiration. So there is a journalist of some newspaper. He has written about her that she was a owner of enormous knowledge, enormous talent. Why she was a heroine? Why she was a heroine, not dancing in the movie? She was a heroine because she has achieved in this age so many things. She has worked on aeronautical engineering. She did her a doctorate in that, and she has applied for NASA, passed there, took the training and selected for the space shuttle Columbia. That is a great, huge achievement for anyone else. So he has written that, and it takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. Enormous means you must have lots of knowledge of everything. You have to be the knowledge of small thing, biology, astrophysics, and so many things. That why he was saying that he was the owner of enormous ability, enormous knowledge. You can know about everything, from biology, astrophysics, aeronautical engineering. So in the in the age of this multi specialization, you must know about everything, science and biology, astrophysics, physics and aeronautical engineering, and everything you must know. Then when you will be there in the space, who is going to help you? No one is there. So you and your crew member are the only people who are going to solve the problem. So one should have the knowledge of each and everything there. That why one person